In this quick video, I'll show you how to install the latest version of Kodi 21.3 Omega on your Google Smart TV. This tutorial will work on any Smart TV as long as it runs on the Google TV interface. For this video, I'll be using a TCL Google TV. So let's get started. Alright, so the first step to this whole process is to head over to the menu on the top using your remote, and then select the settings icon all the way to the right. This is where you can change all your device's settings. Scroll down to where it says System, and then select About from the list. From here, scroll all the way down to Android TV OS Build. This is the most important part, so pay close attention. Click on this option 7 times continuously. Once you do that, a message will appear on your screen saying, "You are already a developer." This means developer mode has been successfully enabled. Next, press the Home button once. Now we need to install an app called Downloader on our device, which is where we will install all our favorite apps. Go to the menu on top and select Apps. As you can see, it might already suggest the Downloader app, but if it doesn't, you can search for it using the search bar or your voice commands. There are a lot of Downloader apps on the list, but you need to select the orange one, which is the first option. Click Install, and in a few minutes, the app will be installed. While it's downloading, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Once installed, open the Downloader app. The first time you launch it, it will ask you to accept the necessary permissions to work properly. Click on the hashtag icon and type this code 8533602. This code will redirect you to my Downloader page where I've compiled more than 200 Android TV apps that you can easily install on your smart TV. To find Kodi from the list, simply select IPTV Media Player category and scroll down. There's the Kodi app. To install it, you just need to click on it and then wait for it to download automatically. Most of the apps listed on our Downloads page begin downloading automatically, but if they don't, you'll be asked to press the download icon to start. After that, click Install and complete the process. Click Done, and now press Delete to remove the APK files. Don't worry, these are just installer files, and deleting them will not delete the app that we just downloaded. Okay, so now press the Home button, and this time make sure to connect to your VPN, as we are using a third-party app here, so it's always better to stay protected. If you don't have a VPN, then you can get one for a discount with my link provided in the description for a significant discount. Now we will again need to go to the Apps menu and launch the Kodi app, which will be all the way to the end of the list. There it is. I will press Continue and allow all the required permissions. Guys, we have successfully installed the latest Kodi version 21.3 Omega on our smart TV. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any upcoming smart TV tutorials coming your way. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.